So today I'm going to talk about the extension of my previous video about the crash which is going to happen, which I think is a possibility which can happen in the near future, which is a possibility which we need to entertain and we need to be prepared. And after a few developments in the geopolitical scenario over the past few days, in the past few hours actually, maybe 24 to 48 hours previous hours were really, you know, something which is not good thing which has happened in our world, and Russia was uh, hit by a terrorist attack, and it was not a very good thing for the world, for Russians, for the humanity as a whole. A lot of people were dead. And anyways, this is a major geopolitical situation which is currently in an occurrence, which has led people believing a lot of things which may happen in the market in the coming days. So this is one of the most important event which has happened yesterday or day before yesterday in Russia, and a lot of people were dead, and this could impact the stock market in a negative way, and it is a possibility that this market could go down in the coming few days or weeks, which is a possibility. I'm not being pessimist here. I'm just being, realistic. I'm just a observer who is trying to understand the situation of the world and accordingly trying to make decisions in the stock market, in the Indian stock market. How would it impact Indian stock market and the Nifty and the stock specific work? How it will be impacted? These are the questions we need to ask ourselves and work accordingly. So another one important stock which I'm going to talk about is Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever is a stock which has been in a downtrend for a long time now, for more than 2 to 3 months. It was more than 2 to 3 months. It has been in a downtrend because in a monthly chart, you can see here in the monthly chart of Hindustan Unilever. Uh, this is the chart of Hindustan Unilever monthly chart, and you can see in this chart that it is declining constantly for the past few months. And see these red candles, consecutive red candles here, and the currently in the month of March it is the biggest one, the red candle. So this is saying that it could go down even more because of its lack of demand in the rural areas of India, and that has caused this decline in its price. So we have to be wary of this situation of this stock, and let's see where it goes. And also the geopolitical scenario is also one to be watched upon in the next few days, as Russia may retaliate against the promoters of this attack, and it may strike the it may come up with a strike of their own, and the situation may escalate even more. And we cannot say we can only speculate as of now today that the things which may happen in the next few days or coming weeks, they are going to be crucial. The end of the March is going to be crucial. Again, the April month is also going to be a very big point in this year. And also elections are coming up in India very soon, and that is also a point of talking point. And also we need to be addressing that issue, not an issue but a point which need to be factored in for our stock market investment and trading situation purpose. So we need to keep a lot of things in mind currently: the geopolitical situation, the stock specific things, how it can be impacted in the Indian market, Nifty, how it can be impacted, and why is this happening. We have to question everything. So be cautious. Everything will be fine in the long term. So stay invested if you are invested. And it's not very the toughest time in the world, but it still is a very uh, it can become really bad, and it could be one to watch out for, and historical events can happen here. So we need to be very cautious about our investments. Thank you very much.